Okay, here we are. I'm taking the train home from college. Here we are in Westbury. No, Carl Place, I forgot it. Scarsdale's Carl Place. Got one stop to go before we go off at Langone Heights, Westchester. That's at least what Mineola is now called.
This station is Scarsdale. This is the train to Grand Central. The next station is Crestwood.
Okay, Langone Heights. So anyway, my second semester of sophomore year is almost over at Successful Learning Center. That's the college I commute to every Thursday in Pleasantville. I'm going to be having a summer of art later on. We're going through Carl Place right now. Carl Place in Westchester. Langone Heights. And I'm going to give credit to Pine Power Alive for coming up with that name. He just posted a brand new video that I've yet to watch of it. He posted it last night, so I haven't got time to watch it because of school. Just crossed under the Meadowbrook State Parkway in Westchester. This is what it's like to take the train. I should have taken the train in 6th grade to Pleasantville Middle School. So I was a fool not to. When the school bus service was just even worse than nice bus. And I mean even worse than nice bus today. I mean those yellow death traps called school buses. Why ride on them? There's Old Country Road. We're almost there. Double track about to increase the triple track right about now. Here we are, Langone Heights, Westchester. Really enjoying my commute from Wyandanch to Langone Heights. Wyandanch, of course, Pleasantville. I got on the Ronkonkoma train. The conductor accidentally took both tickets, even the one I used when I transferred to the Grumman train, which I'm on now. Here we are, Langone Heights, Westchester.
Me voy a